In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to clear your Instagram link history in just a few simple steps. Your Instagram link history keeps track of all the links you've clicked on within the app, so clearing it can help maintain your privacy and keep your browsing habits private. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap where it says, Your Activity. What you want to do next is scroll down to the very bottom and tap, Link History. Now you'll be able to see all the links you've visited. You can clear all of the link history at once, or you can clear specific links you visited. To clear a specific link you visited, simply tap on the X button next to that link. To clear all the links you've visited, simply tap where it says, Clear All. Now you don't have anything in your link history on Instagram. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.